Hi students, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to explain further problems, trigonometry NTSE problems. So now, question number 9. Given that sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2, cos beta is equal to 1 by 2, then the value of alpha plus beta is first option 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So now, I am taking given conditions. Sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2 means what? How to write? Sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2. How can you write in terms of sin? Trigonometric values. Sin 0, 0. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Sin 30 degrees. So now both sides sin cancel. You will get alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Sin alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Now coming to the beta, cos beta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos beta is equal to 1 by 2. So how can you write? Cos beta is equal to, in terms of cos angle, cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. So instead of 1 by 2, write cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Both sides cos cancel. Beta is equal to 60 degrees. Beta is equal to 60 degrees. What we have to find here? Then the value of alpha plus beta is. So therefore, we can write therefore alpha plus beta is equal to, what is alpha value? 30 degrees. So 30 degrees plus beta value 60 degrees. It is equal to 90 degrees. So alpha plus beta value is 90 degrees. So option number 4. Let us come into the question number 10. If sin alpha plus sin square a is equal to 1, then the value of cos square a plus cos power 4a is equal to, first option 1 by 2, 2 and 3. So given condition, given that sin a plus sin square a is equal to 1. So sin a is equal, simplify this value, sin a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Sin a is equal to, you know very well this formula, 1 minus sin square a, trigonometric first identity. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. In that formula, 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. Sin a is equal to cos square a. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Why we are applying squaring on both sides? I want cos square a plus cos power 4a value. Squaring on both sides. Sin square a is equal to cos square a whole square. Cos square a whole square. Sin square a, how can you write? 1 minus cos square a. Sin square a, how can you write? 1 minus cos square a. Cos square a means what? 1 minus sin square a. So sin square a is 1 minus cos square a. Cos square a whole square means cos power 4a. Cos power 4a. So I want only cos square a plus cos power 4a. This value take that side. So cos square a plus cos power 4a is equal to 1. Minus cos square a take that side, that is plus cos square a plus cos power 4a is equal to 1. What is the option here? Option number 1. So let us see next problem. Next move on to the problem number 11. If sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then the value of sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta value is. So given problem, given data, sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. What is the meaning of this one? This minus cos theta take this side. Sin theta is equal to cos theta. Observe here, sin angle and again cos angle both should be equal. When it is equal, theta value, observe sin values and again cos values, one value must be coincidence. What is the value? Theta value must be 45. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Clearly you can write theta value is equal to 45 degrees. Understood? Sin theta is equal to cos theta. Theta value sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Clearly theta Next, find out sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to sin 45 degrees, theta value is 45 degrees whole power 4 plus cos 45 degrees whole power 4 whole power 4. So then how can you write this value? Sin 45 degrees value 1 by root 2, sin 45 1 by root 2 whole power 4 plus cos 45 value 1 by root 2 whole power 4. So this means that 1 power 4 value is 1 by root 2 power 4. Root 2 whole power 4 means how can you write? 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 4. Root 2. This 4 power 4 value applicable for numerator and also denominator. 1 power 4 value 1. I want to find root 2 power 4. Root 2 power 4 means root 2 means 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 4. So this one a power m whole power n, a power mn. So clearly this is 2 power 2 square. This is 4. So root 2 whole power 4 value is 4. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. It is equal to LCM. 4, 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 by 4. It is equal to 1 by 2. So option number 3. Option number 3. So now coming to the problem number 12. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to a, then sin power 6 plus 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta value how much? So before that, given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to a. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means what? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to a square. A plus b whole square formula. A square sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to a square. So this value how much? Sin square theta plus cos square theta value according to identity. This is the value is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to a square. So therefore 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to a square minus 1. A square minus 1. 2 sin theta cos theta value is a square minus 1. So now let us find sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta value. Observe. So I am taking sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube is equal to, let us consider sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube is equal to a plus b whole cube formula. So a cube sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube plus 3a square b. That means 3ab. Sorry, 3ab. 3 sin square theta cos square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Observe, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. What is the value? Sin square theta plus cos square theta value? Clearly 1. So 1 cube is equal to sin a power m and a power m whole power n. A power m. That means sin square 2 sin power 6 theta. 2 3 are 6. Sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 3 into. So in this part, sin square theta cos square theta I have to write this value 4 numerator denominator multiplied by 4. So 4 sin square theta cos square theta. This is the value is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So 1 is equal to sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 3 by 4 into 4 sin square theta cos square theta. How can you write? 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. 2 square value 4 sin square theta and again cos square theta. So next one, sin 1 minus 1 is equal to sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 3 by 4 into 2 sin theta cos theta value. Already we have one value 2 sin theta cos theta value how much? A square minus 1. According to the sin theta plus cos theta is equal to A, we have concluded one value 2 sin theta cos theta value is equal to A square minus 1. Simplify here, A square minus 1 whole square. This value take this side, 1 minus 3 by 4 into A square minus 1 whole square is equal to sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. Sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. In this left hand side value, 1 by 4 value take common. You will get 1 by 4 value take common. You will get 4 minus 3 into A square minus 1 whole square is equal to sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. Observe 1 by 4 into 4. 4 4 cancel, you get 1 minus minus. Next one. 1 3s are 3 divided by 4 into A square minus 1 whole square. Observe our result sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta value clearly 1 by 4 into 4 minus 3 into A square minus 1 whole square. Option number 2. Next move on to the problem number 13. Given that sin theta is equal to A by B, then cos theta is first option B upon root of B square minus A square, second option B by A, third option root of B square minus A square by B, fourth option A by root of B square minus A square. So now here I am taking one triangle, one right angle triangle. This is A, B, C. Let us consider angle at A, it is theta. Angle at A, it is theta. So according to this right angle triangle, this is what exact 90 degrees opposite to this AC side. This is hypotenuse. And angle at A, it is exact opposite to BC side. This is opposite side, and adjacent to the base side. This is adjacent side. Opposite side hypotenuse, and this is adjacent side. So now sin theta is equal to A by B. Sin theta is equal to A by B. According to the basic formula, sin theta means what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. So clearly opposite side value how much? A. This is A. Opposite side value A. Hypotenuse value how much? B. This is B. We don't know adjacent side value, AB side value. We have to find. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. AC square value is B square is equal to AB. We don't know adjacent side. AB square as it is plus BC value. BC side value is A square. So clearly B square minus A square is equal to AB square. B square minus AB square is equal to B square A square is equal to AB square. So I want AB. AB is equal to root of B square minus A square. So what about AB side? It is the root of B square minus A square. We don't know AB side, that is clearly B square minus A square. AB is equal to root of B square minus A square. Now in this question what you have to find? Cos theta value. So find out cos theta. So therefore cos theta is equal to, how to write cos theta value? Formula is what? Cos theta adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So that is AB by AC. So it is equal to, what is AB value? Root of B square minus A square by AC value is B. So cos theta is equal to root of B square minus A square by B. So option number 3. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Next move on to the problem number 14. Cos A is equal to 4 by 5, then the value of tan A is. So now according to the right angle triangle ABC. So this is angle at A, this is theta, this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent side. So clearly cos A is equal to 4 by 5. Cos A is equal to 4 by 5 means what? Cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side value clearly 4, hypotenuse value is 5. Hypotenuse value is 5. I want BC side. We don't know BC side. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to 5 square is equal to AB value 4 square plus BC square. 5 square value 25, 4 square value 16. Take this side. It is equal to BC square. 25 minus 16, 9. 9 is equal to BC square. So BC is equal to root 9. It is equal to 3. BC value is clearly 3. So now what we have to find? Tan A. So therefore tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side value? 3. By adjacent side value how much? 4. 3 divided by 4. Option number 1. Next problem number 15. Problem number 15 also same procedure. If sin A is equal to 1 by 2, then the value of cot A. Same triangle A, B, C. So this is hypotenuse. This is theta. This is opposite side. This is adjacent side. Clearly, sin A is equal to 1 by 2. Sin A is equal to 1 by 2 means this is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side value 1. Opposite side value 1. Hypotenuse value is 2. So find out AB side. AB side. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square value how much? This is the 2 square is equal to AB value we don't know, right, as it is AB square plus BC side value is 1 square. So 4, 2 square 4 plus 1 take this side, that is minus 1 is equal to AB square. So AB square is equal to 3. AB is equal to root 3. AB is equal to root 3. Adjacent side value is root 3. So now cot A value. Therefore cot A is equal to basic formula. Cot A is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side value how much? Root 3 divided by opposite side value how much? 1. Root 3 by 1 is equal to root 3. Root 3 option number 1. This is the problem number 15. Thank you.